Hi, I'm Phil. This is a pollen filter for my Audi TTS Mk2, and according to this manual, it can be done in just 12 minutes. So let's go see how easy this is. So this is an easy but an awkward job because it's underneath the glove box. That's why I've got this mirror here to help me see what I'm doing. There's two plastic screws to remove, and they undo the usual way, lefty-loosey. Slightly confusing when you're looking in a mirror. Once you've removed those, gently remove the foam covering here, which then will reveal to you where the air filter is actually hiding. Once that's off, there's a lid on the filter that slides towards the passenger door, and the filter can be pulled all the way out. The hook's on that lid, pointing towards the steering wheel there. The notch on this filter aims towards the door, and this old filter actually doesn't look too bad, does it? Probably didn't need to be changed, but we're doing it because it's a year old. Just going to vacuum this area here before we put the new one in. Here is the new one, and it's basically a reverse of what we've just done. So this gets shoved up. It's probably easy to slide it left and right like this. And then that lid goes back on with those prongs facing towards the steering wheel. They fit into the slot on the filter, and then it just clicks in back towards the steering wheel like that. Now, make sure you use your finger to feel where the holes are and put the screws back in those screw holes first. It's going to be easier that way. That's a two-handed job, so I'm not showing you that. And that's it, all done and back together. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, maybe I'll see you again sometime. Until then, enjoy the fresh air.